Well, it's that time again. 12-volt battery. Hey guys, Mick here. I replaced this battery about, well, almost 2 years ago. I think it was solidly spring in 2021. So it's early March 2023. So almost 2 years of life out of this battery, which, that works for me, especially since I drive, I would say, somewhere in between 8 to 10,000 miles a year. And I usually only drive 3 days a week because I work from home, and I'm not driving it every day. If I drove it every day, it'd probably last a lot longer. So that's the status on the Mighty Max battery that I replaced approximately 2 years ago. So I ordered another one. Gonna give it a shot. Okay, I used Phil's app to shut the car down. Still have a reverse camera going, but we should be able to pull the 12 volt and replace it. To get all the covers off again, pull the front and get to the 12 volt right under here. There it is, and this is the one that lasted approximately 2 years of inconsistent, non-regular driving. Here's the new guy. You can see the top posts are slightly different. Got the new guy in, and I just used the existing hardware. See the first video for some mods that had to happen there. Just needed longer hardware. These ones don't cut it with this equipment. Plugged it back in, and we're looking good. No alerts. I'll keep you posted on the life of this guy. Thanks for watching, guys. Pretty simple video. It's been a while. Got some exciting projects in the works, though. So stay tuned. I promise there's going to be some good stuff coming up soon. All right. Take care.